are back in the car again this morning, and another beautiful day. We're heading out to, we're gonna head north, aren't we? From our cathedral's campground. We're gonna head north and see how far up we can get and what's up that way. It's about 3 hours before low tide, so we'll just make our way up there and see how far we can get up there and back without the water causing an issue.
Yeah, we need some fuel, so
yeah, Cathedrals has a fuel bowser, so we're gonna get fuel here. It is $3.10 a litre.
Yeah, I thought 205 litres of fuel would have been enough, but we've smashed the fuel.
Yeah, we've done lots of driving. So fuel up and then head out for the day. We're just coming into Orchid Beach township. Are you singing? We're just gonna have a look. It looks like a fairly big little town here, so
yeah, we won't stop. We'll just drive through.
Yeah, we're just driving through, and then we'll get up to Ngkala rocks and just have a sticky beak at people driving through and stuff, and see what that's like and show you guys.
I don't know whether we can actually get into the town. Anyway, we've come in one direction, said local traffic only, and we're obviously not local, so we'll go up here, and if this one up here says the same thing, we won't be going in there because we're not locals.
It might just be the...
It might be the main town that's out here.
Yeah, and you might only just... Maybe you only get access to the shop and fuel station and stuff here, so... Yeah, we'll just have a look.
Yeah, we're sort of, there's this road just back here that you could go into the town, but it said local only, and then we're going up this road now.
Yeah.
And if we get up the top here and it says the same thing, I'm guessing it's going to.
Yeah.
You know, there's a bar up here. We might come back for a bit of a beer and stuff on the way back at maybe 2 or 3 o'clock or something. Put up at the southern end of Ngkala Rocks. We're going to go for a walk as a family and just check out the action. There's a fair old lineup going up on here. It's not hugely a huge line, but yeah, it'd be nice to actually go and have a look. I honestly don't think I'll put our car through this. Main reason for that is I'm not made of a huge amount of money. I'm not prepared to damage my car just to do it. I'm not going to get a huge what's the word, kick out of this to do it. It's something I might come back and do later on in life with a different vehicle, one that I don't really care too much about. So yeah, we're gonna go and have a look and see what all the fuss is about, and see if we can enjoy half an hour or so here of watching people that have done it probably many times before do, and yeah, then we'll probably go find something else to do.
Are you having fun, Louie?
Yeah.
Stop here, stop here.
Well, they want to say they done it backwards.
So the old mate here's decided he was going to back out. Well, I put the drone up. It's a pretty miserable day. The best we could do is what I'm about to show you. So yeah, pretty interesting to watch. Yeah, I probably wouldn't really want to put my car through there, being I know it will fit. I know plenty of people have done it before with these sort of utes. Yeah, so anyway, here's the footage for that. Alright, we're now on our way to Waddy Point, so we'll show you what that's about. But Louis found himself a dingo. He's been wanting to do that since we've been here. So yeah, here it is. It's like, oh, you got food. What do you think of that, Louis?
Go on the harder stuff, please.
Oh, I'll go up here. Just to annoy you.
Oh. No, it's tough.
Look at him, he's at the back of the car.
He's looking around the car.
Hey buddy. What do you think of that, Louie?
Sean.
There he is! He's running.
Alright, we'll get going. We'll leave this dingo alone. As I said, day's pretty miserable. It's raining on and off. It's not cold or anything, it's actually quite nice.
Oh, look at it! Get it!
Champagne pools. I actually sent this to Mum and I said we should drink it.
So, whale fail!
Louis, stop.
Whale.
Okay, safety tip. Always wear sturdy shoes. No, you're not wearing any shoes right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all the drone can get up there anyway, no?
I can probably still do that.
It is windy. Very windy.
I'll knock the mic with this. You talk now.
It's very windy.
Wait, look, oh my. This is a choo-choo train.
It's stunning though. I reckon it'd look amazing. Or it'd be amazing on a nice warm day.
A bit windy. That's sick. So cool. How you going, buddy?
There's a monster truck.
Yeah, you might need to lower the tyre pressures in your thongs. Come on. Keep going. You're nearly there. You made it.